My emulator. So for again I am clicking on the play button, and now I select any emulator. Suppose first I am selecting first emulator and then click OK button. So emulator is a virtual device which are starting in your system, so it's taking time. First your emulator will be create, then your application will be execute in your emulator. So when we are selecting a emulator, so you can see here there are some commands automatic will be enabled, some option will become. So 5x is a little bit slow, so a little bit fast as compared to 6. So Nexus 5x is starting fastly. So that depend on the emulator. That depends on your system also, in your RAM also. So after starting the emulator, your application will be automatically installed in your emulator. So we are not doing anything here, we are just waiting. We are waiting for your emulator will be start, then your application will be execute. So from this video we will uh, go through the process how our application will be execute in emulator. So that process will be clear to all of you. So how many files, which file will be used, which are the important files, that part will be clear to all of you. Main activity android manifest.xml file, activity underscore main.xml file. So in the xml file we can do the coding in the text part or in the design part. So for this part we have only changed the text, we are changing the text. So we have changed the hello world with the this is my first step, and then we have simply build our app and executing, and then we have create the emulator, and we are waiting for the execution of our application in the emulator. So your emulator is starting, so you can check out there are a lot of processing also going there, as well as there are some commands will be automatic execute there. So there can be some problem arise in your emulator because this is the virtual device which is executing in your system. So the problem can be vary. So if any problem arise, you can simply message me or in discuss in the lab during the lab. So that is the same processing you are seeing when we are starting our lab, when we are starting our mobile phone. The same screen is visible, that icon will be vary according to the version. So that version is simply in your API 23. So the emulator icon will be display below. So that is the icon for your Android Studio, and that is the icon that is part for your emulator. So by default sometimes your emulator will be uh, hide in taskbar, so it's not the screen is not visible, that screen. So you will click and that screen will be visible. So you will check taskbar whether your emulator is already execution. So you can check here जो आपकी आपने command execute की, that will be already execute one by one. Your emulator is starting. There are some red sign, there are some commands is executing. Oh, I think it start now. So the first part, the your machine, your mobile device is enabled, we will be switch on. That is the first part. Then our application will be installed in that emulator. So again it's taking time. Yes, now it start. So that screen is same, जैसे आपकी मोबाइल फ़ोन में होता है वैसे ही सेम स्क्रीन आएगी. Yeah, it's come now. So I think API 23.6 वर्जन जो एंड्रॉयड का था उसकी स्क्रीन ऑलमोस्ट सेम थी. These are the icon, these are your buttons, this is your top screen. You can see here there is no sim. So after starting we have again wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Your application will be installed in your emulator. वो ऑटोमेटिक आपकी इंस्टॉल होगी. सो यू कैन चेक हेयर कि जब तक ये प्रोसेसिंग एग्जीक्यूट हो रही है, सो यू हैव टू वेट. योर एमुलेटर इज ऑन बट स्टिल योर एप्लीकेशन इज नॉट बिल्ड. सो वी अगेन हैव टू वेट फॉर सम मोर टाइम्स. Almost it's taking time. So in next video I will also tell sometimes your application is not installed in your emulator. So there is a command that by that command we can install our application in emulator manually. So वैसे तो ये आपकी ऑटोमेटिक आपकी जो ऐप है वो बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट एमुलेटर में अपने आप इंस्टॉल होती है. बट इन सम पार्ट्स इफ देयर आर सम ड्यू टू सम रीज़न if that's happens, so we can do the manually. So for manually we have to remember the command, and that command we have to execute at the command prompt. Then your application will be installed in the emulator. But that process we will do in the next video. So we are waiting for your application to build. I'm saying they are the two steps to execute your app. You can execute in your mobile phone. You can execute in emulator. Emulator is a little bit slow as compared to your mobile phone, so it's taking time. First it will start, then it will starting for it taking consume your memory. Then after starting your application will be installed. So we can go for the second option also. That's totally depend on you. You can use emulator, you can use your mobile phone. So in my mobile phone there are the again two steps that can be done by manually, or it can be done with help of the Android Studio. So that's two options we having on the mobile phone, but we will cover in the next video. So still it's processing is going on, but still your application is not installing. You can check here. They have the different option is come out. That command is visible in the run part. I have two emulator. One is Nexus 6 and 5. So this command is going on in Nexus 5X. उसकी commands हैं. There is a one more screen Android monitor. Actually it's a little bit slow, so I'm not clicking anymore because more commands I will give it, and it will be little bit more slow. So waiting for application to execute. So just we will check out our emulator. When you click the home button, they have the some inbuilt app. These are the some inbuilt app in your emulator. So our application name is the first app. So I think it's installed. I'm clicking on the first app. I'm double click on the first app, and that message will be, I think our message will become this is my first app. So now that application is installed. By default क्या होता है कि जब आप एप्लीकेशन एमुलेट स्टार्ट करते हो, बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट जो उसकी आउटपुट है वो बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट आती है, बट इट्स टेकिंग सम टाइम, सो वी कैन गो ऑन द, हमारी एप्लीकेशन का हमने नेम कह दिया था फर्स्ट ऐप, so that is the icon of your first app. So when you are double click here, your application will be execute. So what is the output is the जो हम मैसेज डिस्प्ले कर रहे थे, दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट ऐप. तो ये हमारी एमुलेटर की एग्जीक्यूशन हुई. ऑब्वियस है दैट इज़ ए लिटिल बिट स्लो. एमुलेटर में हम अपनी एप्लीकेशन को जो एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं वो थोड़ा सा टाइम कंज्यूम करती है, बट स्टिल वी आर प्रेफर टू यूज़ द एमुलेटर. रीज़न बीइंग वी हैव, if we don't have the mobile device with we, so we can try on multiple hardware by changing the value of AVD. So that's it for today. So in today part we are simply build our first app, change the message, then create the emulator, then we are simply run our application in the emulator. So thanks students, that's it for today.